look, my tripod does not go up.
Snoreby, Snoreb.
UPS here.
Always trust a man in a big brown van.
Can you hear the radio from inside the cabinet, but if you're like out here and you get close enough? Probably. I'm gonna listen to the radio.
It's gonna be this top one.
Yeah.
And before it malfunctions and goes off in 3 minutes of
If the batteries explode, we're screwed.
I know. It was nice knowing you. Shit.
Hey, what if that control box electrocutes you?
I said, what if the batteries explode?
Oh my god, you better get the fuck away from there. I'm not gonna like feel sorry for you. I'm gonna literally laugh.
All right, now we gotta be
I
quiet.
believe you.
Hey, step away, please.
No, Sam. I need.
Jack, it's your funeral.
It's steady on this if I hold
Your
it here.
fucking funeral, man.
I'm gonna stand on the blower pad. Maybe I want to die.
Oh, here's Colin. Colin's here.
Wee woo, wee woo.
Wee woo! It's the loose maniac. Wee woo, wee woo! You can be right in it right here. Okay, fine. Colin, you got 45 seconds. Colin left.
Before complete and utter dumbasses invade Red Oak to hear a SNOREB growl. What could possibly go wrong? Right?
That was bad, dude. I'm about to cry. Hey. That was sad. I thought it was... That was sad.
I expected it to at least...
Was it loud from you?
No.
That was sad, man.
I at least expected it to go...
I at least expected it to like hit at least 3 steps below the original pitch. It was like... I thought it was gonna go 15 seconds or something. That's what I always tell you, so you come to these growl tests.
What's under the dead cat?
What?
What's under the dead cat?
Oh, shit, is that a Thunderbolt blower? Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Nope, not a Thunderbolt blower.
That's a little bit...
This was a blower pad though.
Oh. It's not...
Who wants to transmit?
It's not a Thunderbolt?
Colin, I dare you.
This is a Thunderbolt blower pad.
How
about Skyline data?
Can we get an F in the chat?
Airport train.
Hold this. Don't transmit it.
Well,
Damn.
I won't. Yeah. I can promise you I won't.
I'll take frequency. You know, this is what I'm wearing at band camp, so.
Lark?
You're seeing the 100% band nerd right here.
Sam, Lark?
Don't do lark.
I can't even transmit on this.
Don't transmit on lark. They will, like, come and, like,
Walkie-talkie.
report you.
Walkie-talkie.
You know,
frequency?
hams love to report.